Put this on the sole of the foot at night and see what happens. Detox foot patches are a way to remove toxins from our body. These are adhesive patches that are placed on the soles of the feet and allowed to act during the night by removing them the next morning. As you all know, the body accumulates a number of toxins due to environmental pollution, food, lifestyle, etc., and these toxins can cause discomfort and diseases, so it is important to detoxify the body. These patches are placed on the soles of the feet where acupuncture points are concentrated, and help improve blood circulation. The use of these patches leads to less fatigue, relieves joint pain, prevents swelling of the feet, ankles and legs, and less headaches. There are a lot of detox foot patches on the market, but you can make your own patches at home with a few ingredients that you will surely find in your kitchen. Ingredients: 1. Onion. 2. Self-adhesive gauzes. 3. Socks. Preparation: 1. Chop the garlic and onion well. 2. Put a pot of water to boil and add the garlic and onion and let it boil for 10 minutes. 3. Allow the water to cool for about 20 minutes and then pour some of the mixture into the center of the gauze, just enough to soak it. 4. Then place the self-adhesive gauze in the center of the sole of the foot and cover with a sock to secure. 5. The next morning remove the gauze from the sole of the foot. You will see how the gauze has darkened due to